Hello, students. Here we have Lesson 1.7.1, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Welcome to Year 1, Week 7, Lesson 1.7.1. Today we will work on your English vocabulary. We begin with kindergarten level Dolch sight words, Lesson 2 of 4. Please follow the directions and do your best. So the first part is to watch this vocabulary video 2 or 3 times. The second part is to read aloud the following words and sentences in English, then translate them and read them into your primary language using the translator on this page. And here is the translator. Okay? So let's read these words together. Get, good, have, he, into, like, must, new, know, now, on, our, out, and please. And it says here we have the sentences, so let's read the sentences together. Did you get a speeding ticket? What do you want to get from the store? You will get good grades from your English teacher. You are a good student. I feel good today. Maria has a good memory. Do you have a car? Does he have many friends? I have a good English teacher. He is happy. He wants to go swimming. He likes dancing at the club. I will jump into the water. Can you look into the future? He wants to research into a new career. I like to swim. Maria is a lot like her sister. Do you like to learn English? We must work hard to learn English. We must learn how to drive. The doctor must work hard to help his patients. I bought a new car last year. She has a new best friend. Her new dress is beautiful. Don't say no to new homework. She said no when he asked her on a date. They will say no if you ask them for money. You need to pay attention now. Now is a great time to study English. Do you want me to sing now? The pen is on the table. The man on the bridge is fishing. Please sit on this chair. Our teacher wants us to learn English. He likes to spend time with our family. Our favorite restaurant has closed. We can go out to the park. She wants to go out to a restaurant. They went out to dinner. It's a good idea to say please when you want something. Can you please study English every day? Maria said please when she asked for more ice cream. And then we have part 3. Please watch the quiz video and do the quiz on your paper. When you finish, let us know which your quiz score in the comment section below. So this is the quiz, and then below you will write a reply and let us know how you did on this lesson. Thank you, students. I really appreciate you working so hard to improve your English skills.